Hey guys, welcome back, Southbay Cat. Sorry we haven't posted a video in a while. It's been craziness here. I'm sure as you guys all know with the virus going around. But I figured I'd post a video, just let you guys know that I am still around, and we are still going to be doing more content here soon, shortly. Fortunately, my job has still been pretty steady. I don't know about your guys' job. Hopefully everybody's doing well and staying healthy and everything, and practicing social distancing. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and do a video here and see what everybody was getting into. Hopefully everybody's staying busy. Like I said, fortunately my job is I provide a service, a repair service, so my job has been pretty steady, at least for now. You never know, we're still getting into the heart of it. But like I said, hopefully everybody's doing well. Just gonna get out of the house here to get some dinner for the family, and hopefully get a few pulls here in a second, see what we can do. But yeah, so I've been talking it over, been thinking about it. Our neighbors were complaining about my exhaust being too loud, and then there was a guy that drives a 2019 Mustang 5.0, and he just recently got an exhaust on there. He did like some type of Flowmaster system, and it's pretty loud actually. And oh, there's a Subaru, and I was talking to my wife. I'm like, man, we should make our car louder again, because as you guys know, we did straight pipe. We cut out the muffler, did a muffler delete and a resonator delete, but it was too loud. We were getting complaints. But now that we put the mufflers back on, that Mustang is it's pretty loud. I'm like, man, I want to get back to being loud again. I mean, it's cool being quiet and all, but so I think what we're planning on doing is doing some electric cutouts. So you have the best of both worlds. So you just wire it up to a switch inside the car, and when you want it to be loud, just open it up. Pretty much just be open headers and cats, and then when you want it to be quiet, you just close them, and then you got the regular exhaust. So I'm trying to convince her, see what's going on with this whole virus thing, and see if we can do the electric cutouts on the Hellcat. But yeah, so far we've been talking about that, and then obviously the plans are still for doing obviously the SBK 1000 Southbay Cat 1000 horse to the crank. So that's definitely the long-term goal, which would be obviously building more boost, which would be smaller pulley, getting it tuned, throwing injectors, possibly E85. The 85 I think will be last if I can't achieve what I'm trying to achieve, 1000 crank on pump gas on 91, which I don't know if we'll get there or not. Might have to go E85. Thankfully the price of E85 has gone down. I think it's like at $265 right now, so that won't be too bad if we have to go to that. So but definitely gonna do smaller pulley, build more boost, do the injectors so we can support more fuel once we eventually probably go E85. We already got the intake. We're not doing exhaust. I'd love to do cams. They sound pretty nice, but for the price, I mean, and the horsepower gain, I don't think it's really worth it at this point. Not with the brand new car. Maybe down the line once the car's paid off, maybe go a little bit crazy and cam it out and port the blower and do all that stuff. But for right now, just go simple, simple tune, smaller pulley. See where we're at as far as horsepower. Obviously first step is to be like 700 wheel, and then second step would be like 800 wheel, which I think would be like 950 crank. So we'd be close to that. with upper and lower, 10% lower, and like a 275 or 265 upper pulley. I think would be pretty close to our numbers that we're trying to reach. But like I said, I still want it to be reliable, guys. Obviously, reliability, because it's a daily driver and it doesn't just sit in the driveway. So I don't want it to be too crazy. But yeah, that's kind of the game plan. That's kind of the, like I said, depending on what happens with our economy right now, you know, see what's going on, and hopefully get some mods done here soon, give you guys some more content. And I'd like to try to do it myself to give you guys more content on how to remove the blower, and maybe do like I think they have a radiator snout relocate, where it, like, I think it turns the actual where the hose hooks up to, I think it relocates it, turns it like a certain degree to where you can swap the pulleys out easier if you want to do you know, different pulley swaps. So maybe do that, depending. It's just gonna depend on, you know, what kind of deal I can get on a pulley. And I wanted to go Grip Tech, but I think Grip Tech's like just like a one pulley. I don't think you can switch them in and out like with the, you know, like the universal coupler or whatever that's on the snout. So we'll have to see about that. But that's kind of the game plan, guys. So hopefully, you know, within this year we can get to our goals, and we can make some good content, good videos, some racing. It'd be nice to get some racing in here. I reached out to some fellow YouTubers, and they're down to meet up. Excuse me. Do some roll racing, but I'm gonna go to the track and do some track events, some Fontana, maybe Bakersfield, and some Urbandale runs. But guys, man, these streets are like empty. Like, even last week and this week, I mean, just driving around town during the day, guys, the streets have been like empty pretty much. I mean, they're not empty, but there's like no traffic. And LA traffic is always madness. But the whole stay at home, you know, stay at home thing, I think it's really affecting the traffic, which is good and bad. It's good for me because I don't have to deal with traffic and get to my jobs quick, in and out, do more jobs in a day. But it does kind of suck for people that are staying home, not making money either. So hopefully soon here we get some good things. Can harness this. Let's do a quick pull here. Never gets old, guys. Never gets old. It's so quiet though. Some downshifts. But anyway, guys, like I said, I'm going to get some dinner. Hopefully everybody is doing well. If this is your first time tuning in, once again, I'm Southbay Cat, and I plan on doing a bunch of mod videos on the car and some racing stuff. Actually, a bunch of racing stuff, actually. And so smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I guess until next video, I will see you then. Later.